Everyone, it's Paolo here. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn $2,000 into $11,000 in affiliate commissions. So what I'll do is I will show you how I made this $12,250 in affiliate commissions, which was paid in Bitcoin commissions. So these are all instant Bitcoin commissions. And if you're brand new to this channel, just make sure that you watch this video all the way to the end, because I also do an end of month $100 cash giveaway, and the rules to enter this giveaway will be at the end of the video. So just make sure that you watch this video all the way to the end. So what I'll do is I will show you these 3 simple steps that you will do so you can also start getting up to $11,000 by converting or by turning your initial $2,000 into $11,000 Bitcoin commission. Now, for this particular video, guys, the initial capital required is a minimum of at least $10. Okay, so you need at least $10 minimum to get started with this platform. Or if you want to go all in, you need the $1,635 to activate all the packages. And then the earning potential is $11,445 instant Bitcoin commissions whenever the cycle is completed, which is I will explain throughout the video. So step number 1 is to activate your packages. So basically what you do on step number 1, really simple. Anyone can do this, even if you're a complete beginner. You go to this website, www.paoloberingel.com/E1U. So I will also put the links in the comment section, so you can check out all the links in the comment. So when you go to this website, you will be seeing this page right here. So this particular company, it's called Go E1U Life. And the way it works is that this company is an AI software and AI automation tools company. So they sell these different tools, AI tools and software inside the membership platform. And whenever people, purchase the credits, you make a commission basically, right? So you can check this out. Again, the links will be in the comment section, or you can go to this website, paoloberingel.com/E1U. So when you go to this website, there's a video here that explains how it works and how you can make the money. But essentially the way this works is really simple, guys. What you want to do is you click on Start Earning Now. And then from here, you just put your details. You put your username. You create your username, complete this form, and then put your password, and then check this box and then hit submit. So once you hit submit, you are now able to log in into your dashboard, so which is this one right here. So if I click on dashboard, this is exactly what the dashboard would look like. Okay, you can see it here. So so this is the dashboard right here. Okay, so you can see that's the dashboard. Let's just go back to Go E1U. Okay, so let me just quickly show you. All right, so that's the one right. So Go E1U. Okay, so this is the page right here. And you can see in my account, I already made this $12,250 which is pretty awesome. So the next step that you need to do, as soon as you become a member of E1U Life, you want to go and click on this one right here. So you click on Affiliate Portal, or you can also click on Go E1U Credit Shop. So this one right here. So you click this one. And then what will happen, right? So you click on, let's say you go to the affiliate portal. This is the part where you will be able to activate your account. So once you become an affiliate, okay, so once you become a member, you can see you can become automatically an affiliate. Okay, now there's an instruction here on the amount of money that you can make as an affiliate. Now, if you want to make the most commissions, what you want to do is go to this part where it says credit matrix. So on this part, this is where you want to be able to qualify or make yourself qualified to make the most commissions. So basically the way this works, is that they have these different packages, right? So you can see it here, the $10, $25, the $100, 500, 1,000, the 4,000, and 8,000. So as I mentioned, the initial capital required is $10 minimum, or if you want to go all in, it's $1,635. So basically what you do is you want to activate this $10, and then you move on all the way up to the $1,000. So 25, 100, 500, 1,000. And the way that you activate is that you click on activate. Okay, and then once you activate that package, it will give you the number of credits that you can now use to activate the different tools and the software. But we are now on the make money side, right? So basically what you do if you want to activate this $10 package is that you need to send this amount of Bitcoin to this Bitcoin wallet address that you can see on your screen. Now, what you do is if you're brand new to cryptocurrency, you go to this website called Coinbase, and I'll put the link in the comment section. So you can sign up with Coinbase and get an additional $10 in Bitcoin. So you sign up. Once you sign up, you then go to your Coinbase account, this one right here, and then you simply click on buy, and then you put one-time order. So you put, let's say, if I refresh this page, so the total amount that you will require to activate the packages is this one right here. So the $10 all the way to the 1,000 is $1,635 plus the 10% admin fee that goes to the company, plus the gas fee because it's in Bitcoin. So what you probably want to do is if you go to Coinbase, you click on buy, and then in here, okay, so let's say one-time order, and then from in here you put, let's say you buy $2,000, let's say $1,800 worth of Bitcoin. Okay, so let's just do this again. Let me just quickly check. Okay, so let's just do this again. So for some reason it's not allowing me to buy, but anyway, what you want to do is put the amount here. So let's say you want to put $1,800 worth of Bitcoin, and then select Bitcoin, review the order, complete the purchase. Once you complete the purchase, you click on activate the package. So again, you activate this, send the Bitcoin to this wallet address, and then you click on verify the payment. You can also scroll down and then pay with credit card. If you want to do that, you can do that as well. And then you just want to make sure that you activate the $10, $25, $100, $500, and $1,000. Once it's activated, the next step that you want to do is you go back to your affiliate portal. So now you are qualified to make the most commissions, okay, because you activated the packages. And then they will supply all these different links that you can promote. So you can see it here, the homepage, the funnel, opportunity link, retail opportunity. So basically, you need to promote. So to do the promotion, which is on step number 2, so to promote your link, the easiest way that you can do this is go to this website, www.affiliatemarketingtrafficagency.com. So when you go to this website, this is the website right here. Okay, so this website, you can simply buy the traffic package, and then what it does is that this traffic agency will do the advertising on your behalf. So remember, to activate the packages, you spent $1,800, for example, and then you have the remaining $2,000 or $200, and then what you do is you buy the package, let's say the Google Ads package, for $200 for the 50 buyers traffic campaign. So now what will happen is once you complete the purchase, you can then you will receive an email from this traffic agency, and then you basically give them your affiliate link. So let's say this funnel link. Okay, so give them your link, and then what will happen is that people will now go to your affiliate link, and when people click on and they activate the packages inside their account, they will also create an account because they also want to make money. They also want to use the software. So whenever people activate the package in their E1U Life account, each of these packages that you activate, there is an active matrix. And let's say, for example, if I go to my view active matrix in the $1,000, you can see it here, right? Whenever people join and activate, the matrix, the system plays these people in your matrix, and it works in a 2x3 matrix. So basically it's a forced 2x3 matrix, so one on the left, one on the right, 3 levels down, and whenever people are placed in the 3rd level, each of these member, whenever they pay the membership fee, they activate the package. That's how you will make that $1,000 per person right here, per member. And that will happen again and again. And that's exactly what will happen to you, because now you're copying my campaign. So which is on step number 3, you will be able to get your commission. And all these commissions are paid in Bitcoin, instant Bitcoin commissions. So if you go to the transaction history, okay, so you will see it here that all these Bitcoin commissions are all coming in on complete autopilot. You can see it here, $500. Okay, so we have all this 500, 100, all this $100 coming in. You can see it here. Okay, and this will happen to you as well, guys, because you can see it here. That's like $1,000, $1,000, $500, because now you're copying my campaign. And you know, like today you have the opportunity to copy and paste this campaign. So again, all you need to do is go to step number 1, go to pauloberingel.com/E1U and then activate the packages. Step number 2 is go to affiliatemarketingtrafficagency.com and promote your link. So basically purchase a traffic package. And then step number 3 is get your commissions, which is pretty awesome. So now let's go to the cash giveaway. So these are the instructions on how you can participate in the end of month $100 cash giveaway. So number 1, make sure that you like this video, share this video, and make sure that you subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell so you can get the updates whenever I post a new video. And then make sure that you comment below if you learned something from this video. So all you need to do, like, share, and subscribe, and then comment below. And then what we do is at the end of each month, we select one lucky subscriber and you will get $100 cash. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, again, make sure that you subscribe to the channel and give this video a like or a thumbs up. And again, all the links will be in the comment section, so you can go to pauloberingel.com/E1U, activate the packages, and then go to affiliatemarketingtrafficagency.com so you can promote your link. And then once the campaign is live, step number 3 is you will now get your commissions. And that's exactly how I made that total commissions. If I go back to the dashboard, you can see it here in my dashboard. That's exactly how I made that total of $12,250 in commissions, which is pretty awesome. So again, all the links will be in the comment section. And thank you for watching, guys. And I wish you all the best and God bless.